So the first video was where the restoration sort of starts at its worst point, where we've taken the car apart, we've exposed the areas where it needs work, which on that last one was everywhere, and then we put new metal in, and we will put hundreds and hundreds of hours into them until we get them like this. So this is a bare finished shell, and this car will feature in another video that we do. So it was in a similar condition to the car in the metal fab shop, and now we've got it, and I'm really proud of this car, even though it's not my own work. But it's the straightness in the body line that you're looking at, the reflections in it, the way the door to the sill fits, dead flat. Just check out the line of it. The wing and the door gap being consistent, and the consistency is not just the width, it's the radius of the edges of the panel, because if the radius varies, the way the light falls on it changes and they look funny. Now check out the bottom of the door along the sill and the door to the rear quarter. So this is a very, very good example. Now before we finish off all the metal work and get it prepped for paint, we will have sort of dry fitted things like the lights, bumpers, badges, windows. We'll have dry fitted that just to ensure that we've got nothing to adjust later, and it's a step that many skip. Now this is correct on this particular car to be black in the engine bay. Some are painted, some are black, but we know this to be correct. So the finishes on this are right, and then there'll be a rubber fillet that runs in through here, and again the fit and finish of this is super good on this car. Now we replaced a lot of the metal work in the front of here. This is a very early car, but the metal that we've replaced, apart from it looking extremely good, should look also completely factory too. So I wanted to show you how it looks at this finished stage from our restoration department. It's going to be gorgeous, isn't it? So let me just give you a sneak preview of what this car is about. It's a 67 short wheelbase soft window Targa left-hand car, and it's an extremely early car in polo red. So that makes it from 1967. I can't wait to start putting the bright work back on and the lights in it and bumpers on and just building that car back up. Meanwhile, engine, transmission, suspension components and all those things have been refurbished. So that's step number, well, I don't know what step it is, but it's after the metal fab. Look out for my next video, which will take you to another stage. I'm Adrian Crawford from Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche, and this is our restorations.